Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying compatibility and getting devices ready. Enable Bluetooth on your TV and put your headphones or speaker into pairing mode so the TV can detect it. Once done, navigate to the TV's settings menu, usually under Sound or Connections. This is where discovery is initiated. Make sure the device is close to the TV and not connected to another source, because simultaneous connections can prevent pairing. Now choose the option to search for new Bluetooth devices and wait for the TV to list the device. You should see the Bluetooth device appear in the TV's scan results. Select it promptly to avoid timeouts. When the TV prompts, confirm pairing on both ends. Some accessories require entering a PIN, usually 0000 or 1234. The prompt explains where to enter it. Once paired, make sure you set the newly connected device as the TV's audio output so sound routes correctly. If your TV offers codecs or priority settings, choose the one prioritizing low latency for watching videos to keep audio in sync. You're almost done. Play a short clip to confirm audio and lip sync. If audio lags, use the TV's audio delay or Bluetooth low latency options. Make small volume adjustments on both the TV and the accessory to reach comfortable levels. If audio drops or pairing fails, restart the TV and the Bluetooth device, then try pairing again. Clearing the TV's paired device list often fixes stubborn cases. Finally, make the device the TV's default output, so future connections are automatic and faster.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.